Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week we are going to unbox something unique. I hope you guys saw my shorts because I'm planning to do that this week. So I randomly purchased a lot of Volkswagen Beetle. So I just thought, okay, since in the past couple of weeks I just saw I collected somewhere around four. I don't know, maybe I might have more, but those four caught my eye. So I thought, okay, let's do that in this week. So let's start with this one. So this is the Volkswagen ID buggy. This is by Majorette from their mainline series. So this is, yeah, the MRP is 179. So one thing I really wished is, I didn't want Majorette to go back like Hot Wheels, because back then they actually gave acrylic headlights for everything. Just think about the same casting with acrylic headlights. It would have looked really beautiful. Even now it looks really good, but that would have made a lot of difference. Okay, but it still looks really good. Okay, so next one is going to be this. So this is by Hot Wheels from their Silver Line series. So this is a custom Volkswagen Beetle, and this is based on the Toy Story 5 movie. So I personally loved this, so I immediately bought it. And I grew up watching the original Toy Story films. So I even had a pencil box with Woody and Buzz Lightyear's image on it. I think when I was studying 11th or like high school, I'm talking about, I did had that. So I know it was a bit childish, but I didn't care about anything, so I just loved it, so I had it. I even took those to school. So okay, so this is a Volkswagen classic bug. So this is by Hot Wheels from their vintage series. I mean silver series and vintage series. So I'm hoping this would be a full metal casting because it's the fifth one in the series. So I didn't buy the entire set. I only bought this one because I really like this, and I personally love green color along with this rust combined. It was a perfect match, like a match made in heaven. So I bought it. The last one, which caught my eye, when I went for a hunt, this one. So the Volkswagen Beetle 4:4. So this one, it caught my eye because of the tires here. The tires looks huge, like like they put it in a monster truck. But I don't know how they put it in the small box, because the monster truck type of castings, it usually looks a bit huge. There was one casting which we unboxed with that huge tires. If you guys remember, that is by Hot Wheels. They did re-release that again. I think in this last case, I totally stopped following the cases nowadays. I do have more than like 30 Hot Wheels now. I will be unboxing those soon, and again 20 to 30 Matchbox. We'll be unboxing those as well. But this one, it looked really neat, so I bought it. So we will be unboxing these four bugs this week. I honestly, I am feeling really happy. This is a bug week. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.